there's one thing in this house I know how to do, it's how to cook, alright? What are you making, fire over there?
It's time to play Who Stole the Drugs? Was it me?
Was it me?
I think it's him. Pink fairies every.
What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? A fucking cat? Hey, don't fucking look at me like that. That's a weird looking fucking cat. Ma! Yo, there's a stray cat outside.
Oh, I think that I found myself a unicorn. How did you get into my house?
What you doing, buddy? So you're not gonna talk to me, huh?
Perfect. Todd, you didn't pay the power bill? Are you serious? When your lights don't work like they used to be.
Yo, do you have paper towels?
Yeah, right up there.
I love watching the waves.
I'm in love with you, Brandon.
Welcome to Dating Advice with Gabby. Justin, what's your question?
How do you tell if a girl likes you?
She doesn't!
How was your first day at school?
I hate everybody!
Roses are red, violets are blue.
Talk.
And I'll hit you with a shoe.
Stop! I could've dropped my croissant! Change your shirt. Bruh, first of all, I look good in this shirt. And second of all, I look good in this shirt. And third of all, I look good in this shirt. So tell me I don't look
Unlock the door, Joseph! No! You locking doors, Joseph? You locking doors, Joseph?
I mean, wait, hang on. I forgot what I was doing here. Everybody, hold on. That didn't count. That was nothing. I forgot.
Look how silly this is!
Are they gone?
You have to like do. Okay. Aaron, don't leave. Aaron! I love you!
No, I'm done. I'm done.
No, you're not.
This is bullshit. This is bullshit. But look what we're dealing with, man.
Aaron!
You gotta draw the line somewhere. Aaron, you gotta make a statement. You gotta look inside yourself and say, what am I willing to put up with today? Not this.
Why are you playing Christmas music in November? You are not welcome here. Get out of my beep! Oh my god, there's a fire!
No, I'm just cooking.
Oh, I'm sorry. Are you a smoke detector? That's what I thought. Shut up. Beep!
It was at this moment Jackson knew. He fucked up.
Cut my life into pieces.
This is my chocolate bar!
The is in the air. Fuck. There's white shit everywhere.
How could someone be so adorable and hot at the same time?
I was so close, so close.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Rachel is so annoying.
I heard you were talking shit about me.
What the fuck?
Hey, I bet you I can hit this note.
No, please don't.
Wait, what? You're not coming to my tea party? Bethany, I made biscuits!
Did you wash the dishes?
I thought you wanted to do that.
You were wrong.
Where do you want to eat?
I want to kiss your face.
Cut. Brandon, the line is a nice restaurant. And action.
Where do you want to eat?
I want to kiss your face.
Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Stop touching me.
Stop touching me! Stop touching me!
Josh, go put those corn dogs back.
You can't make me do anything.
I sleep here tonight. Sure, but I talk in my sleep. That's cool.
The Fitness Gram Pacer test is a
Ugh, I have no friends. Bitch, what am I? A roach?
Survivors.
Ooh, he's kind of cute.
What?
Girls' life completely depends on whether or not a guy's around. If a guy's around, if he's not.
Everybody has a gay cousin. Bitch, I don't have a gay cousin. Wait. Oh, shit, I am the gay. Oh, my God. Basically, what I was thinking of was, oh, fuck. I can't believe you've done this.
You know I love you, right? I love you too.
All the hot guys are either taken or gay.
I am right here! What's that? You don't like me? Have a nice day.
Where's my chicken?
This chicken?
Where's my pink sweater?
This pink sweater? Where's my boyfriend? This boyfriend?
In every group of friends, there's the dumb one.
Really?
And they were roommates.
Oh my god, they were roommates.
You're my Wonder Woman, call me Mr. Fantastic. Stop.
Carry on. Kitsy on feet. Pretty.
Want to see what I can do with my hand? No thank you. What are you doing? Oh, hell no.
Ew, that wasn't very ladylike.
I don't give
a fuck. Bobby, I have a boo-boo! Oh no, let me see it, sweetie. It's bleeding! Oh, honey, it's okay. Will you kiss it? Are you kidding me? That's f***ing disgusting. No way.
A massive party, there's like 500 people.
You guys see the new BMW I got? It's just so...
Anyway, guys, so what I'm trying to
Say it again. No way, Jose?
that right? Who is Jose?
Babe, it's just a thing. Underlay.
Who the f is he?
Hit it again. Hit it! Dude, hit it! No, hit it. Keep it. That's it! Get out of my house! No! Go! Hit it! Like, actually hit it. It's not dead. No, like, no. What? Oh my god! It gave birth! Dude, no! Oh my god, it gave birth! Oh my god! It gave birth when you hit it!
Selfie.
Oh, you ruined my selfie! You stupid! Animal!
Do you know that Jesus loves you?
Jesus! What? Did you love me cussing? No, I hate you.
Here we go. She doesn't want to.
No! No, you can't kiss me! Huh?
Oh, sorry, I fell asleep while I was waiting on you to make me a sandwich.
Go back to sleep and starve.
Ouch! What the fuck, snick, snack, buddy, whack, diddly dack, crack back, slack back, quarterback, crackerjack, biofeedback, backtrack, thumbtack, sidetrack, tic-tac, do you think you're doing?
How can I get my crush to ask me out? Well, you know how everyone always says be yourself? Well, don't do that.
Ooh, this is my jam. This is my... Turn that song off. This is my jam.
There's no such thing as ghosts. Okay, that's a ghost.
To play, who's infected? Is it me? Me? Him.